if you would actually ask me who are the two people you genuinely have made a relationship with in the industry, that is going to be Faisal and Mariam.
The whole nation wants to know
Right.
कि is Rolly Rayyan single? उसने पूछा है क्या आपको कभी राज कुंद्रा ने कॉल आया? Now we come to one more viewer, your fan, and his name is Sonu King. ऐसा नाम है YouTube पे उसने
Sonu
हाँ,
King sounds
YouTube
familiar.
So he sent a question for you, and Sonu King wants to know, and the whole nation wants to know,
Right.
कि is Rolly Rayyan single?
The whole nation wants to know, and Sonu. You know, when I think I'm in a serious relationship, then I would probably talk about being in a serious relationship. So, right, I mean, yeah, when I'm in a serious relationship, I think for me, it's if you know, if I'm like, I know that this is the person for me, then I'll be like, Rolly Rayyan is not single. Until then, I think I'm single.
Oh, क्या बात है, मुझे लगा ऐसे घुमा फिरा के मेरे को आंसर ही नहीं मिलेगा कि सिंगल है या नहीं है. So we got the nation got the answer that Rolly Rayyan is single.
But that's only until I don't have a serious relation. That's it. Then I will talk about it. See, for me, tagging, like when you talk about relations, it has to be something very serious. Then the person becomes your partner. So let's see.
Okay. And the next question comes कि how would someone get your attention?
How would someone get my attention? That's a good one. I like people who can hold a conversation with me. I love talking. So, you know, for me, personality is very important. So, if you have a very nice and a talkative personality and we can just have a good time, that's when you'll get my attention.
Okay, so मतलब बातें क्या होनी चाहिए?
वो तो फिर you know then the butterflies happen and all, फिर वो बातों में ही पता चलता है कि right.
Should it be like connected to Bollywood? ऐसे film topics होने चाहिए, होने चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए?
Nothing like that. It could be about probably anything, but it's just your personality. It's the butterflies that you feel, and when you feel it, you'll just like know it.
Okay, now we have question of Aman Singh. He sent it on Instagram. कि what's the difficulty for a female entering and working into Bollywood?
What is female entering and working into? First, I feel is the fact that you know you have to always meet the right people, right? In our Bollywood industry, there are so इतने ज़्यादा लोग हैं जो हमेशा बोलते हैं कि मैं आपको ब्रेक दूंगा, मैं आपको ये करूँगा, आप यहाँ आ जाइए, वहाँ आ जाइए, and हम because हमें काम चाहिए, so we go with it, और हम काफ़ी टाइम कभी-कभी गलत चीज़ों में भी पढ़ सकते हैं. That's the first thing. So anyone who wants to like come into Bollywood, they have to be very sure about कि वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, किससे मिल रहे हैं, and just don't believe anybody blindly because लोग वहाँ यहाँ पे बहुत बातें करते हैं. And you know how they say ना कि वो लोखंड वाला बारिस्ता में मूवी भी बन जाती है बैठे-बैठे कॉफी के ऊपर. बिल्कुल ऐसा ही actually होता है. It's a fact. That's the biggest problem for anybody entering the industry who's not already from the industry.
So you have been into the industry, you know, for 10 years, as you said.
I will not call myself as being in the industry. मैं हमेशा हाँ meetings के लिए जाती थी, auditions के लिए जाती थी, but I don't know anybody from the industry. I have a very different circle. Which are nobody is from the industry.
Okay.
So I just go for my work. I meet people कि ठीक है मुझे इस audition के लिए जाना है, इस meeting के लिए जाना है. But now if you would actually ask me who are the two people you genuinely have made a relationship with in the industry, that is going to be Faisal and Mariam. The genuine people who I know and who I like to talk to.
Okay.
Yeah.
और जैसे आपने कहा कि बरिस्ता पे बैठ के पूरी फिल्म बन जाती है, तो क्या ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ है आपके साथ?
Initially तो मेरे साथ बहुत हुए थे, मुझे पता लगा ये हो गया, साइनिंग हो गया, ये हो गया, but then I started realizing कि that's not happening, it's not true, and that is when I got very cautious कि मैं कहाँ जाती थी, किससे मिलती थी. So I have learned from this because there was nobody there कि मुझे कोई दिखाता the correct way. और ये जब आप नए होते तो बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिस गलत लोगों से आप मिल सकते हो. So मेरे साथ तो हुआ है. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing so honestly.
Yeah, because it's always good to know, because if somebody wants to actually come and do it, they should know कि
करेक्ट. प्रीति हैव आस्क्ड वन मोर क्वेश्चन कि अब तक आपको कितने ऑडिशंस में रिजेक्शन मिली है और कौन सा ऑडिशन सबसे वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
Audition में rejection, somehow I haven't given a lot of movie auditions. मैंने अगर 10 दिए हैं तो उसमें से actually I have gotten about मैंने 5 या 4 movies तो 4 movies मैंने करी हैं जो रिलीज नहीं हुई हैं.
Okay.
Right? तो I got it through audition, but they were new production house and all, so it was Factory was actually my 4th or my 5th and that became my debut film. But उससे पहले I have gone for auditions and rejection is just part of life. You go for auditions and not just this. मैं तो शायद ad के audition में भी गई होंगी, वहाँ पे भी नहीं मिला. You know, I have probably gone for एक बार एक ऐसा टाइम था कि मुझे लगा कि मैं चलो सीरियल्स में ही ट्राई कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई थॉट वाई नॉट. तो वहाँ पे तो मुझे कभी मिला ही नहीं सीरियल में. शायद इट वॉज लाइक आई थिंक इसमें हिंदी बोलना बहुत अच्छे से मालूम होना चाहिए, तो उसकी वजह से. तो बट आई नेवर टुक द रिजेक्शन एज लाइक आई एम नॉट गुड. I never felt unconfident, like I was never not confident about myself. I just took rejection in my stride, but rejection is a part of life. You cannot run away from it. So yeah, rejection तो काफ़ी मिले.
उसके बाद में एक और द फैन जिसने इंस्टा पे मैसेज किया, उसने पूछा क्या आपको कभी राज कुंद्रा ने कॉल आया?
नहीं, never. Probably never. I think I was just not famous enough for that call.
तो द फैन राज कुंद्रा का कॉल नहीं आया रोली को. रोली, नाउ विल हैव अ रैपिड फायर राउंड. ठीक है, 1 word में,
Okay.
2 seconds में आंसर देना है.
1 word, 2 seconds.
Yeah, 1 word within 2 seconds. ठीक है.
Wait, I need to be prepared for
हाँ,
this.
6 क्वेश्चन है, ज़्यादा नहीं है. ऐसे लंबा मतलब 20 क्वेश्चंस थे, मैंने उसमें से 6 निकाले.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
चलो.
ठीक है. So first time starts now. Your favorite actor and actresses in Bollywood?
Shah Rukh Khan, that and Kajol.
Okay. Second, recent movie you have watched?
Factory.
उसके अलावा कोई नहीं देखी? Okay. 3, your favorite holiday destination?
Bangkok.
Okay. एक वो मेरा होना चाहिए.
I love Bangkok.
Why do you love Bangkok?
I love everything about Bangkok. ऐसे तो मैं तो जाके वहाँ रह भी सकती हूँ. I love the culture, the nightlife, the shopping, the partying, the people. I love Bangkok.
Okay.
Full Bangkok fan.
4th, what makes you happy?
Everything.
1 word.
Everything.
Everything. ठीक है. 5th, your favorite Bollywood movie?
It is going to be Factory.
Okay. And 6th, would you date a fan?
Would I date a fan?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if he has a great personality.
Oh.
Perhaps. I don't know. I don't really think of it like, would you date a fan? I mean, I can date anybody who has a good personality and I get along well with.
Okay.
Fan or no fan. They might not even have known me. It's okay.
तो बॉलीवुड प्रेमी का रैपिड फायर 6 क्वेश्चंस थे, वो खत्म हो गया. ओके. मोर 2 क्वेश्चंस कि व्हाट आर योर अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स?
My upcoming projects in the film, like in terms of film.
Films or anything, whatever you have signed or
see,
you have talked to the producer,
right,
director.
Right. I mean, I have. There are talks on with somebody for like for some kind of a web series. But until I don't sign it, I can't, talk about it. But apart from that, which I see in the future, जो अभी होने वाला है, is like I'm going to be releasing a book, publishing a book. So that is going to be my next move. Okay,
so will you be revealing the title of your book or a bit of plot synopsis कि क्या रहेगा?
So the title of the book is called A Hot Mess. And and it's just about a girl and how she is living in New York and her life and her relationships. It's just based on that.
Okay. क्या बात है. And we have a last question. What is one message you would give to your fans and those who want to come into the industry?
One message to give to the fans and who I want to. if you want to come into the industry, I feel please come. It's a beautiful place to be in because यहाँ ही तो होता है ना when they say कि आपकी सारी dreams come true, and if you love acting then this is the place to be. So please just come, do not be scared, just come and give it your best, and if it's meant to work out, it will definitely work out like it has for me. After 10 years of being here, I finally landed myself such an amazing movie. So अगर मेरे साथ हो सकता है तो it can even happen with you. So just come, do not think twice about it.
A lovely message to all the fans and the newcomers who
Yeah.
want to come into the industry. So here we come to the end of our interview.
Okay, I loved
and
it.
you're
Thank
looking
you.
amazing.
Oh really? Thank you. Thank you so much. I had a
So-
lot of fun here.
तो बहुत मज़ा आ गया रोली के साथ बात करके. एंड अगर आपको अच्छा लगा रहेगा तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट एंड शेयर.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye. Hey guys, Rolly Ryan here. Please like, subscribe and share to Bollywood Premi and even follow them on Instagram.